It's Thursday night. I just watched an episode of Terrace House. Currently doing my laundry before I leave because in the morning at around like 5:30 or 6, I am leaving to go to Los Angeles, which is very exciting. Not excited about waking up early. I don't know why I keep doing these early flights to myself, but we'll survive. I'll definitely be vlogging this entire weekend, so I hope you guys enjoy everything you're about to see. Got my coffee, and then I picked up some oatmeal. Oh, hot. I don't like this oatmeal. And now I am going to go find Angela. Oh my god. I found her! You're so funny! Our bags at this bag B&B place, and we are going to Koreatown to get Korean barbecue.
Yes.
Food. I'm so hungry, I forgot words.
That you need, take it from me.
Are you excited? I just got some sheet masks, and now we are checking out this grocery store because all the clothing stores at this Korean mall are way too expensive. I'm not spending $500 on a sweater. Right now we are just browsing around. I was gonna try and find a drink or some candy. I've yet to find that section, so when we get there, we'll get there. Oh my god, jackpot. My feet hurt. This one has a blister. We've got about an hour before our Airbnb opens. Go shop. Walking to our Airbnb because we can now finally check in. We found our Airbnb. Jesus saves. Insta shoes. Our Airbnb. Oh shit. Oh my gosh. Alright, how Asian are you? Are we gonna take our shoes off at the door? I am.
Yeah, me too.
I'm just used to it. Shoes
off.
off.
Oh my god, they have sliding doors. Whoa.
So here is our Airbnb tour. Room number numero uno.
With the sliding door.
With the sliding door.
With the sliding door.
Then, oh my god, this bathroom. And then a cubby for, I don't know, shit. Another bed with curtains for privacy, in case you want to get it on next to the kitchen. And then the kitchen, and a little sitting area, a couch, and this is our living room with this really awesome photo. Dear Water, sponsor me. You can pay me $7,000 for a negative review on soda. So while we were at Backyard Bowl, we also got these two juices. One is a peach ginger non-sparkling juice, and then this one is blackberry ginger sparkling juice. So I'm excited to try both of these, but peach ginger sounds real good. we gonna try this out. That tastes like alcohol. Like, it tastes like there should be an alcoholic drink in that.
I'm just kidding. Just sip it slowly like wine. Oh yeah.
You see what I mean?
Yeah. Or it just tastes like watered down tea.
It's good though.
It's good. I would drink it.
I think I like this one better.
Especially since it says
hemp.
Mind and body. Hemp.
We are getting ready to go to Target. We were going to nap, but that failed.
You need to look okay when you go to Target.
So
Step it up or step out.
do an outfit of the night. Platform boots that I got from H&M, my leggings that I also got from H&M, just a top, and then my backpack. And then Angela's so cute. Just kidding, I changed. So I am getting brushes, ranch for pizza, water, tea, spinach dip and chips, and then Angela is getting some clothes, and then down there we have the important stuff, which is rosé cider and pizzas. So for dinner we got pizza and pizza. So excited. Found this Angry Orchard. I really can't believe I just said that. Okay, I found this Angry Orchard hard cider rosé.
Yes, cheers.
Cheers your water.
Chug.
Aesthetics. So we just made our pizza and then we are about to go up to the rooftop and eat our pizza and just relax for a little bit. So I will see you guys tomorrow. I will include photos of the rooftop here since I'm not gonna bring my camera up there. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Good morning. Eating pizza for breakfast. After we eat, I think we're just gonna get ready and then wait for Connie and Tiffany to come over. But I just wanted to say a quick thank you for Connie. They didn't end up staying here tonight, but they did drop off gifts. And I just wanted to say thank you so much, Connie. I really appreciate this. I'm so excited to use this.
Good morning, Angela.
We're back. Pizza has been eaten, coffee has been drunk. We're getting ready to go out. We're gonna go shopping on Melrose. Right now we are just waiting for Connie and Tiffany to arrive and then we will be off shopping, but they should be here any minute. See you guys at Melrose. Okay, so this is my outfit of the day. It wouldn't be an outfit of the day if I didn't change multiple times. So I started with the white shirt, changed to a black shirt, wearing my black denim jacket. Angela lent me some jeans because my leggings were see-through. Socks, that might be a problem, but we'll just deal with it. And then these platform shoes that I got yesterday. And then Angela looks so cute. She's got her cute, her nips. Thanks, Mom. Got everything?
Yes.
Cool. So I found these pants and I'm just gonna try them on. I know they're super crazy, but we'll see how it goes. Hey guys, so I am back at the Airbnb. Right now I'm just gonna kind of freshen up here. We are getting ready, we're gonna go get food, gonna go get sushi, and then head off to the Sephora event, which I'm very excited about. I'm gonna finish getting ready and I will see you guys in a little bit. Alright, so we are getting ready to walk over to the sushi place. Just ignore this pimple on my chest. Anyways, just a quick outfit of the night. We're just gonna ignore the shoe situation because I'm not prepared for the shoe situation. But anyways, I've got my silk robe thing from Victoria's Secret, my corduroy bodysuit, Vince Camuto clutch that I got with the talon for this part, I love it, Angela's black jeans, coming to the rescue. And then I've got these ridiculous platform sneakers because I'm not prepared. And the other shoes that I have over there gave me blisters and I don't want to deal with blisters tonight. Oh, and then earrings from Vince Camuto as well. We're heading over to get some sushi and then we will be heading over to the Sephora event. So I'll see you guys shortly. Good morning, happy Sunday. We are about to head out of this Airbnb. We've got about 45 minutes, be about 10 o'clock, and then I get to sit at the airport till about like 7 o'clock. But we are both very, very tired and ready to go home. I had such a fun weekend and I loved meeting this little angel. In case you guys don't know already, Angela does have a YouTube channel.
Don't look at my skin, it's bad.
No, it's not. Shut up. Oh, here, from further away. I'll put her little link down here or in the description box as well for you guys.
Subscribe to her.
Subscribe to her. I'm gonna close out the vlog here. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I had a lot of fun, and I will see you guys next time I post a video. So,
peace.